started conceptualizing every consumer journey, okay, keeping digital at the heart, right, and which was what the New Me was all about. So yes, if across 100 plus projects which we have executed in 2013, digital or social was embedded across each and every major project that we did.
The one thing that we did is that we started creating solutions within mass media, which would help us get some digital initiative mandate as well. So we tried to take a idea-based approach and a content-based approach. So wherever we could get our entry from through, we tried to cash on that.
Client leaders, they had conversations with clients far more frequently. They came to us far more frequently, and because of which we could now talk a bit more integrated conversations for a lot of clients basically. So I think, I think if I could sum up the entire New Me initiative, I had created a lot of conversations around digital, which weren't so before this entire initiative.
We approach video planning as a part of our regular TV plan. I think that was the part we were initially always thinking about. It should be part of digital, but since we have learned about all this thing, and we have incorporated that in our regular TV plan, and therefore we managed to attract some billing on the digital video planning.
I think when the New Me came up, we started looking at digital in a different way. We started looking at digital as the core of the plan. It could be a core of many plans, and in fact, immediately after this, we had presented a plan to one of our clients, media, where the core of the plan was digital, and then the surrounding was, then we added a television or a print into it. I think the confidence for us to go there and give that kind of a plan to the client came from somewhere from New Me.
Oh well, when we rolled out New Me last year, what happened was that it suddenly opened a new perspective in our mindset to clearly identify that these were the areas which we had never even focused on, which we had focused on but not to the extreme extent. And that gave us the initiative and thrust to go across to our clients, digital being at the heart of everything, right from analytics to content to activation, and selling that to the client. It was much easier after the New Me. Xaxis also took on at that very point of time. Like we've sailed through troubled times, but we have fortunately come out of it. At the end of the day, we come out of it real victors.
Across all planning, across all conceptualization initiatives that we have taken across last year. So yes, I mean digital is actually embedded at the heart of every consumer journey that we detail out.
The New Me helped me see that the only people who can come up with a solution for that is us.
It made life far more easier for us to meet our targets. Okay, it was an integrated conversation happening across social media, across analytics, across content, and a lot of integration was therefore seen through this entire New Media initiative.
Now New Me taught me that digital and trading products and Xaxis, these were the 3 or 4 key areas where if we could focus on, that's where the real cream lies into the bottom line, and therefore this will help us push our agenda through.
In our nature of job, what we are experts on is content and branded content. Google, YouTube is the largest platform to deploy that, and clearly that's exactly where we are moving. More and more people are going to consume content from there, and I think that is actually throwing up a lot of possibilities that currently can just be imagined or can't even be imagined.
Digiversity to be the best idea, because I think that clearly made everything accessible. So if there were a little more discipline on our front, I think that could have been that is actually a way better thought, and I'd rather want that to continuously exist beyond say 31st April.
Google 10x for sure. Quite a few reasons actually. One, it gave us a clear differentiator in the market for sure. The fact that we could go to a lot of clients and talk to them about some of the new initiatives that Google are launching, and we being the first agency to roll it out. Second, for the fact there was a clear price differentiator, and that in fact a lot of clients, that itself was something which a lot of clients were willing to kind of have a conversation with us. And it also had a lot. It also, when we walk into a room and have as a conversation starter itself, especially during our CRES presentations, it makes a huge difference.
I would just give the answer as Google 10x. So I think that was one good initiative from Group M.
One is Digital Island, which was the initiative, and of course the Google 10x deal is a path breaker. So we go around selling that to all our clients.
Future.
Change.
Adaptable.
The digital core.
New core.
I would go with glamorous.
Wow.